Hello class, what I want to do in this video is I want to go through the three different types of labels. And the first one is a brand label. Now a brand label, that's going to give the brand name, the trademark, or the logo associated with the product. It's going to be on the packaging, okay, and it's going to present that type of information to the customer, okay, or potential customer. Okay, it does not provide any actual information about the product itself, okay, or it's limited in the information that it provides. The main point of the brand label is to let you know what the brand name is, any trademarks, or any logos associated with that product. It just communicates what type of brand you are buying. Okay, the example here is this Aleve bottle, so the Aleve logo, that's part of the brand label. Now I put this one in here because there is some information here. It's saying it's naproxen sodium tablets, 220 milligrams. Okay, so that would be an example of some information about the product itself. So this is actually combining brand label with another type of label that we're going to look at here in just a second. Okay, but it's important to recognize brand label. You're just getting the brand name, the trademark, or the logo. Okay, now a descriptive label. This is going to give information about the product's use, construction, care, performance, and maybe other features. Okay, so if we jump back to the bottle of Aleve medicine that we just looked at, where it said naproxen 220 milligram, that would be an example of descriptive labels. So that can show you how the one label can have brand elements and descriptive elements all on the same label. Okay, now some examples of just pure descriptive labels. Okay, food items. What ingredients are in the product? Okay, we're all used to seeing over on the right the ingredients lists for foods. Okay, that's on pretty much every food item that you buy at the grocery store. Okay, that's an example of a descriptive label. It's letting you know what is in this particular food product that you're going to buy. Okay, electronics. You know, if you've ever seen where it has this device needs to be used this certain way, otherwise it can become a fire hazard. Okay, it's giving you a warning there that you need to avoid doing certain things, otherwise this item could create a real problem for you and start a fire. Okay, so that's an example of how you need to care or use that product. That's an example of descriptive labels. Okay, our third and final type of label is grade labels. Now, grade label is going to state the quality of the product, okay? It's going to answer the question, am I buying the best of something, or maybe am I buying the lowest grade of something, or am I buying something in the middle? Okay, now it's important to point out that grades are assigned by an independent group, okay? The company itself doesn't assign the grade. There's somebody else out there that is going to put the grade label on the product. Okay, one of the best examples is meat, okay? The USDA, okay, they grade the quality of meat. The USDA stands for the United States Department of Agriculture. So they examine the meat and then they'll give it a grade, and they'll say it's either, you know, if it's beef, for example, we'll say it's prime beef, it's choice beef, or it's select. Prime would be the highest grade, choice in the middle, and select would be the lowest. Okay, so at that point then, the grade label would be attached to the product by the inspecting agency. All right, so grade label, independent party, they're the one that's saying the quality of the product, and they're the one that is putting on the grade label.